Food stored in a refrigerator should be arranged so that A. Raw meats are below ready-to-eat items. B. Raw meats are stored above everything. C. Ready-to-eat items are placed on the bottom shelf. D. Everything is mixed together for convenience. Answer A. Storing raw meats below ready-to-eat foods prevents cross-contamination from any dripping juices. Food workers must report A. Minor allergies to certain foods. B. Symptoms like diarrhea or vomiting. C. Dislikes of certain foods. D. Minor discomfort from work attire. Answer B. Symptoms like diarrhea or vomiting can indicate illness and must be reported to avoid contaminating food. Frozen food with visible ice crystals likely indicates A. It was handled correctly. B. No safety concerns. C. It is at optimal quality. D. It was thawed and refrozen. Answer D. Ice crystals suggest the food was thawed and refrozen, which can compromise safety and quality. Minimum internal cooking temperature for ground beef is A. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 160 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer C. Ground beef should be cooked to 155 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure harmful bacteria are eliminated. A designated ice scoop should be used for handling ice to A. Improve taste. B. Avoid contamination from hands. C. Keep ice colder. D. Reduce ice melting time. Answer B. Using a designated scoop minimizes the risk of contamination from handling ice with hands. Hairnets are required because they A. Help employees stay warm. B. Prevent hair from contaminating food. C. Improve employee comfort. D. Are optional in most cases. Answer B. Hairnets prevent hair from falling into food, which can be a physical contaminant. The correct temperature for washing dishes in a compartment sink is A. 90 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 70 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 140 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer D. Hot water at 110 degrees Fahrenheit is effective for cleaning and sanitizing dishes in a compartment sink. When sanitizing surfaces, it is important to A. Allow the sanitizer to air dry on the surface. B. Wipe off the sanitizer immediately. C. Use the surface immediately. D. Rinse the sanitizer off with water. Answer A. Allowing the sanitizer to air dry ensures it effectively kills any remaining bacteria. Cold TCS foods should be held at or below A. 50 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 41 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer B. Keeping cold TCS, time/temperature control for safety, foods at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below prevents bacterial growth. Hand washing with hot, soapy water should last at least A. 5 seconds. B. 20 seconds. C. 10 to 15 seconds. D. 30 seconds. Answer C. Scrubbing hands for 10 to 15 seconds with soap is necessary to effectively remove contaminants. If an employee has a cut on their hand, they should A. Ignore it and continue working. B. Cover it with a clean bandage and glove. C. Use hand sanitizer on the cut. D. Wear a single glove without a bandage. Answer B. Covering the cut with a bandage and glove prevents contamination from the wound. Time and temperature control for safety, TCS, foods include A. Bread and dry pasta. B. Raw, uncut fruits and vegetables. C. Canned fruits. D. Dairy, cooked meats, and cooked vegetables. Answer D. TCS foods like dairy, cooked meats, and vegetables require temperature control to limit bacterial growth. Proper hand maintenance includes A. Leaving nails long and polished. B. Keeping nails short, clean, and unpolished. C. Only wearing gloves over long nails. D. Using only cold water for washing. Answer B. Short, clean, unpolished nails prevent contaminants from transferring to food. Potentially hazardous foods are those that A. Are high in protein and moisture. B. Are dry and low in protein. C. Require no refrigeration. D. Include all prepackaged snacks. Answer A. Foods with high protein and moisture content are more likely to support bacterial growth. The purpose of an air curtain at a food facility entrance is to A. Keep employees cool. B. Prevent flying pests from entering. C. Reduce noise levels. D. Increase air circulation. Answer B. Air curtains help block flying insects, enhancing food safety by preventing pests from entering. Physical hazards in food include A. Metal, glass, or hair. B. Bacteria. C. High acidity. D. Low moisture content. Answer A. Physical hazards like metal, glass, or hair can accidentally contaminate food during preparation. To prevent chemical contamination, cleaning chemicals should be A. Stored near food preparation areas. B. Kept in a separate, labeled cabinet away from food. C. Placed next to food items for convenience. D. Used directly on food surfaces. Answer B. Chemicals should be stored away from food to prevent accidental contamination. The correct internal cooking temperature for fish is A. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 160 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer A. Fish should be cooked to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure safety. Using the FIFO method means A. Using the newest stock first. B. Using the oldest stock first. C. Rotating stock randomly. D. Discarding old stock. Answer B. FIFO, first in, first out, ensures that older products are used before new ones to minimize waste. Ready-to-eat foods should be stored A. Above raw foods to prevent contamination. B. Below raw foods. C. With raw meats. D. Anywhere in the refrigerator. Answer A. Storing ready-to-eat foods above raw items prevents cross-contamination from raw food drippings. TCS foods held hot for service should maintain a temperature of at least A. 125 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer B. Hot TCS foods should be held at 135 degrees Fahrenheit or higher to prevent bacterial growth. The first step in sanitizing a work area is A. Scraping off food bits. B. Sanitizing directly. C. Rinsing with water. D. Drying the surface. Answer A. Scraping off food debris is the first step before washing, rinsing, and sanitizing surfaces. The correct way to thaw frozen meat is A. Leaving it on the counter overnight. B. Thawing in a refrigerator at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below. C. Using hot water. D. Placing it near a heat source. Answer B. Thawing in a refrigerator at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below keeps food out of the danger zone. Cooling food safely from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours is followed by cooling to 60 degrees Fahrenheit within 2 hours. B. 32 degrees Fahrenheit immediately. C. 50 degrees Fahrenheit within 1 hour. D. 41 degrees Fahrenheit within the next 4 hours. Answer, D. After reaching 70 degrees Fahrenheit, food should be further cooled to 41 degrees Fahrenheit within the next 4 hours. Pests are discouraged in food areas by A. Leaving food uncovered. B. Storing food 6 inches off the floor. C. Leaving garbage inside. D. Keeping doors open. Answer, B. Storing food at least 6 inches off the floor makes it less accessible to pests. The minimum internal temperature for roast meats is A. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 160 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer, D. Roasts should be cooked to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure they are safe to eat. Gloves are required when A. Handling ready-to-eat foods. B. Touching raw vegetables. C. Arriving to work. D. Leaving the kitchen. Answer, A. Gloves should be worn to prevent bare hand contact with ready-to-eat foods. Hand sanitizer may only be used A. As a substitute for hand washing. B. After proper hand washing. C. To clean food surfaces. D. For sanitizing utensils. Answer, B. Hand sanitizer can only be used after hand washing and should never replace it. Hot TCS foods should be kept above A. 120 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer, B. Hot TCS foods should be held above 135 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent bacterial growth. To minimize bacterial contamination, employees should avoid A. Eating in food prep areas. B. Using gloves while handling food. C. Using separate cutting boards for different foods. D. Keeping hands unwashed. Answer, A. Eating in food prep areas can introduce contaminants, so it should be avoided.